Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're getting a little bit cloudy, but in the best way possible. We're making cloudy donuts, a light and fluffy treat that's perfect for any occasion. These donuts are called cloudy because they have a delicate, airy texture that's almost like a cloud. They're not your typical dense donut, but they're still packed with flavor and sweetness. So, if you're looking for something a little different and oh so delicious, then you've come to the right place. Let's get baking. Ingredients. For the donuts. 1½ cups warm milk, 105 degrees Fahrenheit. 2 teaspoons active dry yeast. 1/4 cup granulated sugar. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 4 cups all-purpose flour. 1/4 cup vegetable oil. 1 large egg. For the glaze. 1 cup powdered sugar. 2 tablespoons milk. 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions. In a large bowl, whisk together the warm milk, yeast, and sugar. Let sit for 5 minutes, or until the yeast is foamy. Stir in the salt, flour, and oil. Beat until a soft dough forms. Turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface and knead for 5 minutes, until smooth and elastic. Place the dough in a greased bowl, cover with plastic wrap, and let rise in a warm place for 1 hour, or until doubled in size. Punch down the dough and roll it out on a lightly floured surface to 1/2 inch thickness. Cut out donuts with a donut cutter or a round cookie cutter and a smaller round cutter for the hole. Place the donuts on a greased baking sheet and let rise for 30 minutes. Heat oil in a large pot or Dutch oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully fry the donuts for 1–2 minutes per side, or until golden brown. Drain the donuts on paper towels. While the donuts are cooling, make the glaze by whisking together the powdered sugar, milk, and vanilla extract. Dip the donuts in the glaze and let the excess drip off. Serve immediately and enjoy. Tips. For extra flavor, you can add a teaspoon of lemon zest or orange zest to the dough. You can also fry the donuts in butter instead of oil for a richer flavor. If you don't have a donut cutter, you can use a biscuit cutter or a glass to cut out the donuts. Be careful not to overcrowd the pot when frying the donuts, as this will lower the temperature of the oil and make them greasy. Well, there you have it. Cloudy donuts that are light, fluffy, and oh so delicious. I hope you give this recipe a try and let me know what you think. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more yummy recipes. Thanks for watching.